this. Then the last part. You have to do this. That's funny. I'm doing a funny dance. I was doing.
What do you call that? The Carter?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're doing the Carter, huh?
That's my favorite.
Oh, Toby don't like that dance.
No, he doesn't.
Now, what's your new dance?
Let
What are we playing, Twister?
Is that like the backwards crab walk or something? Don't choke on your fish.
Don't say anything.
How many you got in your... How many you got?
Don't say anything.
Okay. He'll still laugh. How many fish you got?
Everybody do this.
Smell our hands?
Not you. Not you.
What am I doing then?
You have to go in your mouth. You can't talk.
Oh, because you want me to be quiet. Okay.
Do it.
I'm good.
Sip up. Who said that?
So what are we doing this time?
You have to do this.
Do that?
Then you have to do this. Then you have to do this.
This is a lot. I don't think I remember all that, Carter.
You have to do that. Okay? Are you ready?
You might have to show me one more time. That was a lot.
I want to see if you remember that one, Carter.
I'll do a different thing now.
All right.
Look at this. You have to clap. You have to clap about 20 times.
Are you going to
Are
count
you
for
ready?
me? You going to count for me?
No, you have to do this first. You have to do this. You have to do that first.
Do I have to do that one?
Do it.
I'll clap first.
Didn't do that?
I think your mom might post this on Facebook if I do.
Clap.
Carter, you know how to post videos on Facebook?
I mean, clap 10 times.
Are you going to count for me, though?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you go.
Now do it. Now do this. I mean, not. You have to do this.
Give me a different one.
Then do it. Do it. Do it.
If you do it with me.
I do it with you?
Yeah. All right?
You have to do the frog dance like this.
That's the frog dance, huh?
That's a frog dance?
Yeah.
Where'd you learn this from?
I made it up.
Oh, you made it up.